Hey traders, so let's quickly start our analysis with net gas, gold, and crude oil today. So before I start my analysis, I want to inform you that priority group is now up and running, and if you want to join the priority group, the link is now in the description, and you also have an option to do a one-off payment. If once you click on the link, you will have an option of extras. Click on extras, and then you will come on this page, and here you will have an option to do a one-off payment if you just want to try a priority group, and here you will have a link to do one-off payment if you do not want to go for a membership is a little bit cheaper here. If you want to join, that's per month, and with the membership you will get these two indicators for free. But if you just want to do a one-off payment and just to try priority group, the option is right here. And also make sure this group is not a signal group. If you just want to join because you'll get signals, then it is not a good idea. If you want to learn, that's purely for educational purposes. I send you the trade alerts, I teach you the entry patterns, and with that you receive these major zones, forex zones, every Monday or Tuesday. So with that being said, let's start our analysis with net gas first. What do we have here? Now, as you can see, as per my yesterday's video, I've said that we need to keep an eye here on the first top, and if our first top is breached, as you can see right here, then we have a possible chances of a trend continuation. Now with that, market has made a new high, broke above the previous high. So looking at that, this could be just a pullback, and then we might see another push up and a trend continuation. We are still in the resistance, but looking at a break above the previous high, it is a signal that market is likely to push up with a trend. We do not have any buy signal here, but I can say that we have a chance that the market will start pushing up. And as you can see, it is pushing up with a trend right here. As here you can see, we have one, two, three touches. Looking at that, we see another hit of this trend line, and then we might see another push up. So no entry condition, but yes, looks like the trend is upside. Now it is very unlikely if the market push down massively, then in that case we will have a major double bottom, but that is not likely because we do have these two EMA support, 50 and 20 EMA support here. So that is why looking at the trend, I'm expecting a market to push up from here. And we also have this pin bar and then 382 candle, that is also a bullish pressure right here on currency.com. Exactly the same. Market is pushing up with the trend, not breaking below our trend line. And with the EMAs, market is still pushing up. We have a break above the previous high. Market made a new high. Looking at this condition, I'm expecting market to push up further from here. Once we are broken above 7.282, then we have a very likely chance that the market will start pushing up to the next level of resistance, which I'm going to mention in this weekend video. I'm going to do all the resistance and zones again so that I can give you the accurate zones over the weekend. So keep an eye on my next video. Let's check gold. Awesome. What do we have here? As per my yesterday's video, we had a nice push up out of this engulfing candle. And as per my yesterday's video, let me quickly show you what I've said. Now, if we have a big green candle that fully engulfs the previous red candle, in that case, we will enter our long trade somewhere here. Okay, nice one. I have already informed some of the members that we have an entry condition, and with that we can take our entries here. And as you can see, the market pushed up from here, but it did not make it to the top right here. I was expecting a double top move. Now in this case, you have an engulfing candle that is a bearish pressure, and if we have a break and close below 20 EMA, then we have a good chance that the market will hit 1688 or wherever the 50 EMA will be on your chart. So I want to see a break and close both below to see a trend continuation. Now, if a market push up here, then we have a confirmed double top, a major double top. With that, we can have a massive push down if we have this move. So keep an eye here on the moves as well. Crude oil is now in the resistance area, and as you can see, we are now getting a possible double top. If we have a next big red candle, then we have a good chance that the market will push down from here. If we do not have any sort of reason to enter, no red candle, and market breaks above this previous top, then we have a good chance that the market will continue its trend and will push up with the trend. But if not broken above, we have a sell signal, then there's a chance the market will reverse. But if you go back on 1 hour time frame, and if you want to do a little scalp right here, which is on 1 hour time frame, looking at that, the ATR of this candle is 63, and with that you can take a short position here just using 1 ATR for your targets, and right there the target would be 87.96. Looking at the 1 ATR, that's just for a little scalp on 1 hour time frame, but I'll be looking for conditions on 4 hour time frame, the one I've just explained. So that's all for commodities here. If you have any questions or confusions, do let me know on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green, and I hope you have an awesome weekend ahead. See you guys in the next video. Take care.